So. Hier haben wir einen Intimbereich, den kann ich drücken. Ich kann mir meinen Intimbereich ansehen und ich kann die Kelle mit meinem Intimbereich verwenden. Natürlich ist das kein Intimbereich, sondern das ist ein loser Stein. Einer, Einzahl, Singular. Das sage ich auch immer dazu. Ich drücke, nee, ich gucke ihn mir erstmal an. Bisher.
Game of Thrones.
Bei Game of Thrones. Das ist schon wieder ein Sprecher.
My father is planning to make a move against your family. He knows all your weaknesses, all your plans, because you have a traitor in your council. He's been sending a great deal of gold to someone in King's Landing.
We were told we'd be speaking to Lord Tyrion alone.
That's enough, Andros.
North Grove? That's just some shit story for little kids.
I've heard stories. Old tales of a secret forest within a forest. Your lord knew what he was talking about. I'm part of the free folk. People round here call wildlings.
My true name is Sarah Flowers.
You're a bastard?
I hope I didn't make a mistake in trusting you.
And if it isn't Elena Glenmore, you're not still marrying into this wretched family.
Perhaps we'll remain allies after all.
It's a long journey to Marine on foot.
Marine?
Shit.
What?
Unfinished business there. I don't want to talk about it.
If you presume to speak of my dragons,
You best choose your words carefully.
Malcolm!
Are you gonna be a good little forester? Learn your lesson? And stay down? Don't think this is over, Roderick!
The Foresters need to keep their end of the bargain. Take the boy as your ward. Kill him if they give you any trouble.
I never did tell you about your father, did I? We bled him at first, like a pig.
Da fliegt er. Da flog er. Ja, so viel Zurückblende. Mal gucken, wo es weitergeht. Oh, an der Mauer. Haben sie ihn gefunden? Ich dachte, wenn wir in die Mauer runterstoßen, dass er dann sich in Luft auflöst. Nee, es war klar, dass sie ihn finden. Ich meine... Er brennt aber gut. Ach, wir sind gefesselt. Ja, klar sind wir gefesselt. Das...
I knew you were a killer the day you arrived. Seems Britt found out too. Now they all see it. What sort of brother you really are.
Britt was the killer, and worse. He got what was coming to him.
And you made sure he got it, didn't you? Threw him clear off the wall. You told me what you did to get here. We both know you had blood on your hands. But now, you've killed one of your brothers. You'll lose your head for this, Tuttle. You'll be disgraced, dishonored, and burned till there's nothing left of you.
You won't execute me. With Mance Raider coming, the Night's Watch needs all the men it can get.
Honest men. Loyal men. Not brother killers.
Sorry.
There's only one thing to be done with you now.
Hey, Frostfinger. I saw what Garrett did to Britt last night.
Uh-oh.
I was there. My relief was late, so I stayed behind. I saw everything.
Yeah, he was there.
Then go on. What did you see, boy?
Uh-oh.
It wasn't Garrett's fault. We were on watch when Britt just attacked him. Garrett had no choice but to fight back.
There isn't a man at the wall wouldn't sell his own mother for the right price. You two are up to something. Some deal you worked out. Or he's defending you for some reason I can't fathom.
No, we're not. He's telling the truth. You can't fault a man for defending himself.
Garrett killed a man of the watch. There's a price to be paid for that. Let's go. I knew it was a mistake to make you a ranger.
Frostfinger. What's to be done with him? We're heading to Craster's.
You'll have to find someone else for your expedition. Your man here still has a lot to answer for. Now out of the way, Snow.
Give us a moment.
Then kiss him quick and be done with it.
Garrett, you told me you wouldn't get into it with Brit. What happened? I thought you were smart.
Ich hab schon gelogen. Das ist passiert.
I thought you were going to be by my side at Craster's.
I'm sorry I let you down, John. I didn't mean for it to come to this.
You gave me your word, Garrett. It can't have been easy. Facing the man who killed your family.
Aye.
Is there nothing to be done?
Aside from removing Tuttle's head from his shoulders? No.
But
you're about to go off and execute a nest full of traitors at Craster's. How is this any different?
Godspeed with you, Garrett. We're down a man, so keep your eyes open. Now let's move.
You can go begging to your gods all you want, boy. It's the axe has the final say.
Ja, dann werden wir demnächst wohl etwas kürzer werden. Wahnsinn. Also wenn wir jetzt aber auch nicht mitgenommen werden. Ich meine, ne, wir sind jetzt ein Verurteilter, also noch nicht, aber wir sind ein Mörder jetzt. Also wir haben einen von der Wache umgebracht, einer unserer Brüder. Wir werden wohl, also wenn wir nicht geköpft werden, dann doch zumindest lange Zeit im Knast verbleiben. Es ist sehr unwahrscheinlich, also nach der Spiellogik, dass wir nochmal irgendwie hinter die Mauern kommen und da nach dem Wald suchen können, was wir eigentlich vorhatten. Aber ja, im Knast sitzen ist das ein bisschen schwierig. Mal gucken, wie er da, also, ja, er kommt da irgendwie raus. So, was haben wir hier? Vorspann. Das gibt wieder Copyright Infringement. Ach, schön. So, okay, dann gucken wir mal, wo wir jetzt sind. Folge 4. Söhne des Winters. Aha. Ach, an dieser Stelle. Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Wir spielen Game of Thrones. 4. Episode mittlerweile. Erste Folge der 4. Episode. Sagen wir es mal richtig. Und wir sind scheinbar in Essos. Und ich habe immer noch eine komische Stimme und ein bisschen Husten, wie man hört. Macht aber nichts.
Do you know how many men have stood before me with false tales of my dragons?
Desperate men, hoping for wealth, protection.
Liars, every one of them.
And I expect you are no different. You don't want to see what I do to liars.
I wouldn't lie to you. You have my word.
Your word means nothing.
Not when it is so easily bought.
Oh, shit.
Are you frightened? I thought you'd seen a dragon before. Your reaction says otherwise.
Er ist aber kleiner, oder?
Viserion.
He's much smaller than the other one.
Would you like to touch him? Go ahead. Unless you are afraid. Of course, a man who has really faced a dragon before may have reason to be afraid. Go on.
Not a good idea.
Asher.
I'm inclined to agree with her on this one.
Natürlich gehen wir da hin. Hallöchen, Kitty, 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 Kitty. Komm, lass dich ein bisschen streicheln. Hier hinter den Ohren kraulen. Wo hat er eigentlich Ohren? Hat er nur so Löcher im Kopf oder was? Komm her. Daneben. Ich bin katzentrainiert.
You're brave at least.
I don't think he likes me.
You still have a hand, don't you? You claim you saw Drogon. Give me a reason to believe you. I told you I've heard this story before. I'm going to need more than that.
I have this.
Drogon. How did you get that? What have you done to him? If you've hurt him...
Hurt him? He attacked us.
Drogon wouldn't strike without reason. You must have scared him.
He is not some kind of thoughtless beast.
He's only a child.
The men who were following us, the Lost Legion, they drew their swords and tried to fight him.
And Drogon defended himself.
So we somehow deserve to be burnt alive because your little baby was scared.
Schön, dass sie es ausspricht.
Dangerously sharp, sellsword.
Sellsword, schön.
Why did you come here?
You offer me nothing but lies.
Ja, wieso kommt sie jetzt schon wieder mit dem Lügending? Sie hat doch jetzt mitgekriegt, dass wir...
A title. My undying gratitude. What do you want from me, Asher Forrester?
I don't want your money. I just need your help.
Help very often means money.
My family is depending
Indirekt, ja.
I have to find an army.
An army?
If you could spare some of your sellswords.
Please,
I also came here looking for an army. But what I found
were the cries of children and people suffering in chains while their masters profited from their misery. My sellswords will help me free the slaves of Meereen. That is their mission. Your need is not greater than theirs.
These are people who have suffered for years without end.
What if we left after the liberation, once the slaves are free?
Once the slaves are free, I will sail back to Westeros and reclaim my crown.
There is no after.
There must be something I can do to convince you.
As we speak, my men prepare to enter Meereen.
What they are about to do is much bigger than you or I. Bigger than one family back in Westeros. So, unless you think you can storm Meereen and free all the slaves yourself...
Cool. Lass uns nach Meereen reingehen und die Sklaven selbst befreien. Das ist eine gute Idee eigentlich. Moment.
You may leave.
That's it.
Your Grace.
See them out.
Beskha knows the city better than anyone, Your Grace.
What the hell, Asher?
Is this true?
Yes. I lived in Meereen for a time. On the eastern side of the city. Fucking bastard.
So you wish
Die
to
war
accompany?
100 Pro war sie ein Sklave,
You'd
oder?
help the Second Sons. Guide them into Meereen.
I can't, Asher.
This could be our only chance.
Is that what you're saying?
You're really considering this?
They could prove valuable.
We'll help you free the city. If you'll just consider what I've asked.
We can talk about that after the slaves have been released from their chains. I believe that's more than fair.
Ja, aber...
You two will join Croft and his men. Get them into the city, help them liberate Meereen, and I will see that you are rewarded. But your uncle stays here. If I find you've lied or put my men in danger...
I understand.
Good. Croft will get you settled in. It's going to be a long night.
Die hat ja jetzt nur gesagt, wenn er sie in die Stadt führt und wieder raus und alles super läuft, dann erwägt sie, auf seinen Vorschlag einzugehen. Nicht, dass er ihm hilft. Also...
What's the problem with you and Meereen, anyway?
Doesn't matter now, does it?
Beskha.
Get your armor patched up in here. Extra bedrolls if you need them. Piss buckets in the corner where it's always fucking been.
Long time since we had a piss bucket.
I spent 2 years trying to get where I am now. Don't fuck this up for me, Asher. Nail! We got 2 more!
Wir müssen irgendwie mit Beskha ein bisschen gut zureden. Weil die hatten nicht so wirklich Bock, dahin zu gehen. Und eigentlich ist sie unsere Eintrittskarte. Dass wir einen Drachen gesehen haben, hat nur geholfen, dass wir zur Khaleesi kommen.
Curse this bloody leg! It's not your leg that's the problem, Roderick. You've got to be practical. You got the best of Griff last time. When he comes looking for revenge, do you think you can beat him? He'll be angry, looking for revenge.
It sounds like you'd prefer if Roderick stayed down in the mud.
Is all this talking supposed to help?
You can't just fight through the pain. You need to try something different. You can't handle a sword like you used to. So find another advantage. Surprise your opponent. Do something unexpected.
Ja, kenn ich. Hier, den Kranich. Auf einem Bein.
I'll show you.
Pass auf. Das macht ein Kranich.
Come at me.
Achso. Sorry.
Bring your opponent down to your level. When I attack you, drop down, avoid my blade and swing at the back of my knees.
Aber nicht das Schwert an der Klinge nehmen und mit dem Griff hauen. Nur so eine Idee. Aber
Roderick!
das hat nicht so gut geklappt. Kriegen wir hin. Kriegen wir hin.
Let's try it again.
Ja, try it again. Siehste. Zack. Weg damit. Du Affenzipfel.
Ha! Now that's how you do it.
I think you let me. Oh!
Nochmal.
Sorry to interrupt.
Oh, meine zukünftige ist da.
She insisted on seeing you immediately.
Lady Elena, I hear we're to become sisters.
Talia.
Oh.
Roderick. Can I speak with you? Privately. You remember my little brother?
Quiver! Good gods, you've grown.
You could just call me Arthur now.
I hope you don't mind us coming unannounced. But something's happened. I didn't know what else to do. Maybe this was a bad idea.
You're always welcome here. We're to be married. You'll be calling Ironrath home soon.
Yes, well, that's why I came, actually. Lord Whitehill paid my father a visit at Rillwater Crossing. He told my father you were disobeying Griff's authority and
he wanted to teach you a lesson.
As if I'm some token to be handed around.
You mean?
He demanded I end our betrothal and marry his son, Griff, instead.
What?
Lud threatened my family. Told my father if he refused, we'd be slaughtered along with you.
Father acted the damn coward.
He agreed, Roderick. I am to marry Griff Whitehill. That arrogant, pig-eyed prick!
Elena, we're in this together. I won't let this happen.
I knew you'd help. But my father won't listen. I'm not gonna be the bone they throw that howling dog. I'm not gonna be some prize for him to rip open. We have to get rid of him. I can't think of any other way. My father won't see reason. Lord Whitehill's made up his mind. And so have I.
It's time someone brought Griff down.
We were hoping you'd say that.
Was für ein seltsamer Pfiff. Oh, er hat Leute mitgebracht. Ja, immerhin 5 Stück. Plus ihn. 5 Bogen. Oh, okay, es sind ein paar mehr. Nee, warte mal. 2, 4, 5.
I command Father's elite guard. These men are trained archers, swordsmen, experts in both ranged and close combat. They're yours, if you'll help us take down Griff.
The whole guard?
20 men.
20,
My father
okay.
still thinks they're aboard a ship bound for the Reach. What do you have to lose, Roderick? Griff has been a nightmare for you and your house.
You can't have any reason to keep him around.
Whitehill'll still have my little brother. If I hurt Griff, there's no telling what they'll do to Ryan.
I understand your worry, Roderick. I don't want Ryan hurt any more than you do. I know this might sound mad, but it's the only way. Get rid of Griff, and you'll be free to use the guard however you like. You can finally take control of your house again. Please, promise me you'll do this. I love you, Roderick. I don't want Griff.
Aber sicher wird das. Hallo, ich bin Badass.
I would be happy to.
Thank you, Roderick.
Griff won't even see it coming. My men are yours to command.
Thank you, Quip. Arthur.
Could you give us a moment?
Es gibt bestimmt ein Küsschen.
You don't know how much this means to me. To us, I should say. Maybe when this is all over, we could play hide and seek in the grove again. Pretend we're still children. Forget all that's happened these last few years.
I love you, Helena.
I love you too.
Küsschen. Knutschen, knutschen, knutschen. Knutschen, knutschen. Ui. So. Na, das hat doch gut funktioniert. Okay. Zurück in Königsmund. Ich muss euch hier ein Geheimnis verraten. Ich habe keine Ahnung, was in dem Brief stand, den wir am Ende der letzten Folge geklaut haben. Also nicht verbrannt haben. Ich habe keine Ahnung, was in dem Brief steht. Das ist irgendwie... Ich müsste vielleicht mal eine eigene Folge nochmal gucken, damit ich es schnalle, aber... Das ist irgendwie so... Ich dachte, das wäre das Handelsding, wo drin steht, dass er mit dem Haus Forrester Holz abkaufen will. Aber warum sollte man den verbrennen? Ich meine, den kann man doch gebrauchen, um zu sagen, hier, guck, das giltet noch, das giltet noch.
What is it, Tom?
Remember that warning you'd heard from Roderick?
About Whitehill's contact. Did you find anything?
Only whispers. But your brother's right. Lord Whitehill.
Hello.
Lord Whitehill is sending a great deal of gold to someone here in King's Landing. He's definitely up to something. Something big. But I don't know what.
Well done, Tom. Did you hear
Ich habe
anything
keine
else?
Ahnung, an wen das
Lord
schickt.
Whitehill is surprisingly secretive. The only people I'm even certain he deals with are those Ironwood merchants.
Okay, das
They'll
war schon
both be at
irgendwie
the feast
klar.
after Tommen's coronation today. Maybe you can learn something.
I can't go. She's not exactly happy with me right now. I've been uninvited.
Couldn't Sarah help? Ask her to get you in. She'd do it, right? Don't handmaidens look out for each other?
Ja, Fragen
Ja,
kann man mal,
friends.
oder?
I'm sure she'd help
Aber
if I
es ist
asked.
halt schon viel verlangt, ne?
It's a good plan then.
It's nearly time.
Just be careful, Lady Mira. King's Landing seems to have it in for you.
Wir wissen übrigens immer noch nicht, was mit Tom ist. Wer Tom ist, von wem er kommt. Also mein Ding ist ja, dass er einer von den Spatzen ist. Also so von der Septe, von dem Pfarrer Fuzzi da.
Have to guard this one. Locked him up in the old storeroom until morning.
That the one who killed Brit? He's not going anywhere. Come on. He'll be back before anyone notices.
All right. Maybe just a quick bite. He's likely to freeze to death out here anyway.
Okay, dann denke ich mal, ja, dass wir uns ein bisschen umgucken können. Holzabfälle.
Oh, wood's rotten. This is all bloody useless.
Ja, hätte zumindest mal ein neues Stroh hinlegen können, ne? Ja, ich laufe erstmal in den Raum rein. Was ist das da? Sand?
Just sand.
Und das ist ein Sack voll Zwiebeln. Das kann man gebrauchen.
Onions and crab apples.
Crab
At least I won't starve to death. If I ever find a way out of it.
Da lag ein schwertartiges Dingens rum, das hätte ich schon mitgenommen, ne? Ja, es ist eine rostige Kelle, aber...
This might help.
Ja, sowas von. Dann nimm mit. Es ist halt irgendwie einfach nur... Es ist zumindest aus Metall, ne? Zeig mal her, was haben wir denn alles dabei? Halskette, Kräuterwickel, Karte des Nordhains, Sack voll Nahrungsmittel und eine Kelle. Alles nicht so. Ach, da, guck mal da, ist eine Decke. Dicke Decke.
Probably covered with fleas.
Dicke Decke. Dicke Decke. So. Hier haben wir einen Intimbereich, den kann ich drücken. Ich kann mir meinen Intimbereich ansehen und ich kann die Kelle mit meinem Intimbereich verwenden. Natürlich ist das kein Intimbereich, sondern das ist ein loser Stein. Einzahl, Singular. Das sage ich auch immer dazu. Ich drücke, ich gucke ihn mir erstmal an. Ich gucke mir mal meinen losen Stein an. Ah, ja, okay, verstanden. Da ist das Scharnier dran. Hallo?
Garrett!
Yeah, Cotter. What are you doing here?
I heard them talking. You're to be executed in the morning.
What about Finn? He told them.
Nobody believes him. Or don't want to. They think he's covering for you. Some are even saying he helped you do it.
Super steckt er auch noch in der Kacke.
That's why I came. I want to help.
You'd be executed too. Why would you want to help me?
Weil er hinter die Mauer will. Er will weg.
And you said you were my friend. Well, what kind of friend would I be if I left you to die here? So I'm getting you out of here. I don't want to hear any complaining.
I owe you for this. If we make it out alive...
Well, now that you mention it...
What?
I want to go with you, Garrett. To the North Grove. You know I can't stay here. I'm leaving Castle Black. But I'd rather not go it alone. So if you're going north, I'm coming with you.
Well, I'm not going anywhere unless I can get out of this bloody storeroom first.
I can try and pick the lock, but I'm not sure it will work. It's rusted a bit inside. I can try, but it may not do any good.
There's a loose stone over here.
Ich hätte
Can you see it?
besser sagen sollen, dass er gucken soll, dass keiner guckt. Wache halten nennt man das.
It's not moving though.
Keep trying. Let me see what I can do.
Ja, jetzt hier, pass auf. Ich öffne einfach mal die Tür.
Locked.
Die ist verschlossen.
Pulling on it
Ist ja
won't help.
Wahnsinn. So, jetzt hier, pass auf. Verwende die Kelle mit dem Dingens da. Was kann man da? Der Speis kannst du da rausknutscheln.
What are you doing?
Getting out of here.
Das ist aber schon ein bisschen laut, oder? Schneiden. Ich will unten. So. Okay, dann will ich rechts. Ja, vielleicht will ich aber auch oben.
I can see it. It's coming loose.
I'm gonna try to push it out. You pull, all right?
So, das sieht doch schon mal gut aus.
I hope no one heard that. Hey, can you fit through?
I think.
Ich meine, die ist doch jetzt nur noch an einem Scharnier. Könntest du die Tür nicht ein bisschen rausdrücken und dann nach rechts, damit sie aus dem Schloss fällt quasi? Ja, ist scheißegal. Wir haben es geschafft. Oh, hoffentlich kann ich Stealth einlagen. Da werde ich versagen. Oh, das reimt sich. Ich bin nur ein Rad. Ein Wagenrad. Ja, mach weiter, Junge. Hallo? Alter! Yes, ne.
Oh shit! Aren't you two idiots lucky I'm not Frostfinger?
Sind das überhaupt echte Schwerter? Ich dachte, das sind Trainingsschwerter.
I figured you'd try something like this. Finn, it's not safe to be seen with us. Then good thing I brought this.
Richtiges Schwert, ja, das ist der. Oh, das ist meins, gell?
You're not coming with us, Finn.
What are you on about? Frostfinger already thinks I'm helping you. What do you think he's gonna do when he hears you've run off with Potato Fucker over here? I'd rather take my chances with you. And I'm good in a fight. You know that.
Yeah, good at starting them anyway.
You'll need another blade at your side.
Ja, nimm mit. Ich meine, erstens mal haben wir dann einen mehr. Und zweitens mal hat er recht, er kann gut kämpfen. Und drittens mal, ja, wenn er verschwunden wäre und, ne, die trauen ihm halt nicht. Okay. Nein. Jetzt gucken wir schon, wie es weitergeht hier, ne? So. Ich bin den ganzen Weg hierher gerannt. Okay, wir sind beim Wehrholzbaum. Am Hoowood Tree.
We're deserters for sure. We're breaking our vows.
Da fehlt doch einer. Ah.
Broken plenty too. Words don't mean shit.
There'll be a price on our heads. Or worse.
My family back home is counting on me to put things right. And I mean to do it. Vows aren't going to stop me.
Oh, ich glaube, sie haben rausgefunden, dass wir weg sind.
Then how fast can you run?
Geht so. So, jetzt aber. Ihr Leute, an diesem Tor werden wir morgen weitermachen mit meinen Leuten. Ah, das ist das Tor zu unserer Burg. Wieso ist denn das zu? Ah, jetzt. Okay, das sehen wir dann morgen. Bis morgen dann und tschüss. Einzelner Stein.